As correctly stated by the district court, President Trump faces an unquantifiable potential harm by way of improper disclosure of sensitive information to the public. Now, there are so many things wrong about that statement. President Trump faces an unquantifiable potential harm. As I have said many, many times before, it is an untold law in jurisprudence that when you speak of a harm that is being caused to you because of a certain conduct, you have to specify that harm. And that harm had to have happened for you to bring a cause of action to court. So here, this idea that faces an unquantifiable potential harm is just buffoonery. And then you add to that, by way of improper disclosure of sensitive information to the public, 11,000 government documents, including 100 documents with highly classified markings, were stored in Mar-a-Lago in Donald Trump's desk. That is a flagrant violation of any documents with that level of classification that the DOJ has said repeatedly. So much so that the DOJ is going to great lengths to both appease Donald's tantrums and continue the investigation and go to the appellate court with just request of keeping these 100 classified documents, because these 100 extremely classified documents were improperly stored for the last 18 months at Mar-a-Lago, which is a country club. And Donald Trump is facing unquantifiable potential harm from improper disclosure of sensitive information to the public? No, it's a government that has already incurred irreparable harm from the delay of this investigation for the last 2 months and the continued delay of it by these sub-interlocutory appeals by Donald, these interjecting, overreaching acts that has been perpetuated by Judge Cannon's special master motion. That has been further perpetuated by Judge Cannon micromanaging the special master motion and telling Judge Dearie what he can and cannot ask for in his review. And then going up to the Supreme Court while the appeal is pending in the 11th Circuit of the entire review to say that, no, you have to tell the 11th Circuit to return, to give back, compel the DOJ to give back those 100 highly classified documents to Judge Dearie and thereby the plaintiff's counsel. That would not cause any irreparable harm is what Donald Trump is asserting here. That a DOJ criminal investigation with national security implications, with assertions that the 11th Circuit has agreed with, has caused and is causing and will cause irreparable harm to our government and our national security, is somehow a less of an interest of the government and of the courts than Donald Trump's unquantifiable potential harm of improper disclosure of sensitive information to the public. The absurdity of that claim is redundant in that statement.